This is an unboxing of a Binoviewer. Let's open and see. Okay, I have now cut the top, and this is something I received from Germany. It's a second-hand Binoviewer. It's a Baader Maxbright Binoviewer, as you can see. And there's nothing inside this other than the newspaper. Put the newspaper back. This is the Binoviewer. I will disinfect it probably before touching it more. Okay, now I have disinfected it with the alcohol spray. Now I'm going to open the Binoviewer. There is a documentation here. It's in German. I hope there is an English translation also somewhere. No, it's all in German. But there's a Maxbright, you can read that. That's in English. 2 eyepieces should have been here, but it's missing, so the seller didn't send me those. It was not part of the sale. This is the Binoviewer. I must say the condition of it is rotting almost. I have to disinfect that and the Binoviewer itself first. Okay, this is the Binoviewer, as you can see. Let me turn on the flash so I can look at it. This is the Binoviewer. The end pit of it is the 2-inch one, but I suppose that I can use a adapter. I have an adapter for this, and I will use that one. I hope it works with this. Of course, the Maxbright 2, which is supposed to be in the market, is not available, so you don't see it. You pay for it, but Baader doesn't have it available because of the coronavirus, probably. So let me see how it looks like. I'm removing the caps. So, do I see any fault? Not really. I don't see anything. A problem. No fungi. Doesn't look that it has been fallen or anything. I don't see any damage. This is relatively lightweight, but the lenses, as you can see, the prisms are big, and hopefully that means that I will get a good bright view with this. I have a Bertella eyepiece, Russian modified Bertella eyepiece. I just see that, can it go there? I have 2 of that. I have 1 of it now here. I will see if it can go. Okay, this is a Binoviewer, and this is a Bertella eyepiece. No, it's too big for this. It cannot go into this. But I have other eyepieces. I just wanted to see if it can go. It only goes with my Skywatcher ST80. Not a big loss. I have an adapter for that. Can go with this, but so far looks alright to me. Needs a little bit cleaning probably down there, but that's another matter. Has it been the screws tampered with? I don't see any evidence of tampering with the screws, as far as I can see. So, no, I don't see any evidence of tampering with the screws. The test will be in the night sky, that I can actually look at it and just view something with it. And I will do it in the first opportunity. Okay, I'm using the Baader Maxbright Binoviewer. No Barlow or anything. I put the Barlow, but that was too much. And I removed even the diagonal. That was another Baader star diagonal mirror one. And yeah, now that is good. I can see without any problem. It just goes into there, and there is enough travel. It's inward travel is needed, not outward. And I'm using the SVBony Aspheric 23mm, a pair of it, and it's good. The only thing is that this one is a bit loose, so if I push it like that, the images will merge and you can see 3D. But I have to look at that in the daylight just to see why this one is a bit loose. The other one is alright. And yeah, see a retaining ring there. Probably that's the one that's a problem. But anyway, It may not be even a problem, but it's amazing. Nothing compares to having both eyes. The cyclop way, that is one eye, is not really built for the human beings. We are the people who live in three-dimensional view. We have two eyes and we have to use them, and the images by two eyes merge. Beautiful. Oh, hallelujah. There is a screw here which was loose. And with this screwdriver, I tightened it up just half a turn and it was tight. So that's the retaining ring, and now it is firm, doesn't wobble. Hopefully that means I will be able to actually view it in 3D easier without holding one eyepiece with hand. Let's just do it. Imagine that in 3D. Of course, the camera cannot show both eyepieces, so impossible to see or show you in 3D like that. But anyway, this is a cyclop view of it for you. Oh, hallelujah, that's it, done. 3D easy. I repaired it in the dark. That's the ultimate amateur astronaut. Beautiful. Now using the 10mm aspheric SVBony, and that's amazing. First I used the 10mm and 4mm. They are the same size. In the dark I couldn't recognize why this one doesn't come in the same focus as this. Then I realized because they are the same size, the length of them, I picked the wrong one, so I had to go back and bring the 10mm one. So I have a lot of these pairs and of this eyepiece and other eyepieces. I will try orthoscopics probably later in other nights, and that is amazing. I'm looking at the planet Saturn. It's floating in the sky. Wow, it's so relaxed. 10mm aspheric, that's the SVBony eyepiece. A pair of them on the Baader Maxbright. Looking at the full moon almost. Last night we had a lunar eclipse, so it's just past full moon. Not many objects, not many shadows, I should say, on the moon, but it's stunning, the view of whatever visible at the limb and also in the other parts. It's so relaxed. No more cyclop or cyclop. Wow, I'm in the orbit of the moon with this Binoviewer. It's just looking at it straight through, you know, I'm doing Japanese style without a star diagonal, and that's amazing. So relaxed. First of all, so relaxed. Second is that I'm in the orbit around the moon. I can concentrate on any area for detailed viewing. It's amazing.